What's up again, everyone? This is going to be a simple trading recap. Trading recap of today's trading day, which was August 19th, 2026, Wednesday. So let's look at the higher time frame. Let's see what really happened. So what I always see is, a lot of manipulation. That's what I see happen. A lot of manipulation. Price went up, price went down, price went. Let's just see. So from the beginning of the Asia session opening, you know, price dumped down, pumped up. Let's look at that better. Price opened up right here a little bit, a little small bullish, not a lot of volatility. Price dumped down, pump it up, down again, up, and then down again, which I was fortunate enough to catch the move down. I was able to quickly spot that. Okay, obviously I knew that I predicted that sales was going to happen, so I entered into a sell literally right here. And yeah, I enjoyed the profits all the way down. Not all the way down here, of course, but to about here on my funded and around here on my eval. And then price dumped again, pumped up, and then just range, just chopped. There's a lot of choppiness, a lot of up and down, a lot of up and down, manipulation, no clear direction, of course. So it's pretty mixed review. It wasn't a clear up, it wasn't a clear down. So people made money, people lost money. However, yeah, nevertheless, not a big up or down day, not a big trend upwards or trend down. Just a lot of chop, as you can see, a lot of chop. And yep, that's really it so far. So yeah, so what made me sell was obviously going going back to going back to the higher time frame. My bias is going to be sells, until I'm proven, you know, otherwise, essentially, because we haven't hit a clear bullish key level. Actually, let me check on MES. On MES, I don't think we did. But let's just check. Yeah, on MES we didn't yet at all. And obviously, there could be, this honestly can count as a CRT. You know, people can look at this as a CRT, manipulation. Okay, now they expect the price to pop up a bunch, which very well, could have happened, of course. I'm not denying that we can see bullish moves, but it's obviously clear that we're in a downtrend, and it's because of the draw liquidity down here, the resistance level down here, and possibly further down, possibly. So yeah, so I mentioned earlier that I caught the cells up here. Yeah, I caught the cells up here, and obviously, I wouldn't have bought, either way, because this was, pretty bearish. He has some resistance here. This was a clear CRT that we were in. It was pretty. Yeah, as you can see, thick down close candle. Actually kind of a pretty CRT right here. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Oh, another thing to mention, we have an SMT as well. So this range high did get taken on MES. So MES attacked this range high, and that's another thing. I'm not sure if price will continue upwards. We will see. I don't think that we possibly will. I mean, we can, obviously. It's up to the price. It's up to the markets. Well, on MES, like I'll show you guys right now. The same candle that I marked. Let's go back to it. Price attacked this range high. So yep. And yeah, that's pretty much all I have to, say. When the higher time frame buys, you must always, trust the higher time frame by this